Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for a new pad folio or portfolio that is going to last a long time and not fall apart immediately, then you got to check out this leather one that I got from CataPurus. I primarily got this because this is genuine leather and it can fit a variety of different tablets. I have a Samsung Galaxy tablet model A7 and it fits perfectly inside this Padfolio. Whatever tablet you choose to put in it is secured by elastic and it stays in there really well. Some other features that I like are that it has a pocket for holding a phone, several business card slots, and a book slot. Also, I love that it has a dedicated cable holder, and I found that I could fit my smart ring case in there also, so I really like that added feature. I got the coffee color in Crazy Horse leather. Now this is going to scuff up and scratch, and that's purposeful, and it just adds to the rustic look of it. I could not be more pleased by the quality and the look of this Padfolio. It has been perfect for me. I think you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.